welcome back to my channel, Home with Kimberly. Today I'm going to do something a little different, and I thought I would start doing a monthly unboxing of my Birchbox subscription that I get in the mail. I love it! Let me just tell you quickly what Birchbox is. If you don't know, it's a monthly subscription that you can get. It's only $10 a month, and it just gives you all kinds of different beauty samples. You can customize it when you sign up. Like if you want to see a lot of makeup stuff, hair stuff, skincare, whatever, they give you the option to kind of fill that in and, you know, say what kind of samples you want to be sent a month. And then you'll get a little card in the mail, like every time you get one, and this will have all of your samples listed on it, what they are, and it'll tell you the price if you wanted to order the full-size item. So, before we unveil this month's box, and I'm going to try to do like a hit and miss, you know, what I think was a hit for me, what I think was a miss, you know, something that I wouldn't necessarily order the full price thing on. So I've been getting this for about 6 or 7 months now. I really love it. I found some great stuff. Some stuff has kind of been So I thought before I open my new one here real quick, I'm gonna show you a few things that I've already received in previous boxes and kind of go over things that I really liked and things that were, you know, not a big hit for me. So I'm going to start out with this London Fashion Week official hair care product. It's label.m professional hair care. It's Diamond Dust Leave-In Cream. Love the smell of this stuff. It smells so good, and it's really light. Like when I sprayed it on my hair, it didn't leave it feeling heavy or anything. I don't know if I would actually order the full size of this or not. I think it's about $28 for a full size bottle. I mean, I didn't notice that it did anything absolutely fantastic for my hair other than it did make it smell really good. I have been enjoying this sample. Actually, I think I just ran out. So the next thing I got here is from the Beauty Crop, and it's a trio of eyeshadow. It's called Love You So Latte. I've actually really been enjoying this. These colors, they're very, you know, warm. Do a lot of different looks just even with these three, and I think if you order the full palette, it would probably comes with more colors than this, but this is just a sample. I've actually really enjoyed this, and this is something that I would possibly order the full size on. This I've been using, it's from Stila Huge Extreme Lash Mascara. And this came at just the right time, actually, because I had just run out of my mascara, which that's one thing I love about this subscription box. Like sometimes I'll get stuff in the mail and I had just run out of it, so then it saves me a trip to the store to have to buy something new, because then I can just use my sample for the next month. I'm actually wearing the Stila mascara right now. I don't particularly care for the fallout on it, kind of wipe that away, so probably not something that I would order the full-size product on. This I just got the last month in my last month's subscription box. It's Badlands R+CO, R+ company. It's a dry shampoo paste. Now I love dry shampoos, and I actually got, it's been 2 or 3 months ago, I got a dry shampoo from them. It was a Mika brand. Amazing, smells so good. I mean, it's my favorite dry shampoo. It's not bad. I put a little bit in my hair today. Didn't leave it feeling real heavy or sticky or anything. It's just got a real pasty consistency. It kind of, when you do this, it almost feels like a powder in your hand. It did add a little bit of volume, but this isn't something that I would probably order the full size on, just because there's so many spray dry shampoos that I really like that I would choose over this, but it wasn't a bad product. This is the Smashbox lipstick sample, and it's actually a really good size sample. And I'm trying to look for the name. Always On, is that it? Oh, Driver's Seat, I guess that's the name of this. I'm actually wearing that right now. This stuff really stays on like really well. Like as soon as I put it on, I mean, it's there immediately. This is my first time trying a Smashbox lipstick, and I would probably get more Smashbox lipsticks. Lipsticks are not something that I typically think to wear. If you've seen any of my other videos, actually all my videos I've done so far on YouTube, I don't even think I'm wearing lipstick, so I need to up my lipstick game for sure. This is $24 for a full size, so, you know, I might pick and choose. I don't know if I particularly like this color on me. Maybe I'm just not wearing it with the right look. I mean, it's a good color. I just don't know if I like it on me. But I would probably order 1 or 2 more of these in a color that I really like, just because this stays on so well. And my lips don't feel really super dry with it on, but I would probably put like a gloss on over it. This, obviously, I've been using, it's Lord & Berry. It's an eyebrow pencil, Brunette Magic, and this came at just the right time. Actually, I had just run out of my eyebrow pencil. I really like the color. That's what I'm wearing. That's what I've typically been wearing. This has actually a marbled tip. I'm reading on the little paper that it came with. So it's supposed to help mimic dimension. I actually really like this. I'm not a huge makeup guru. I am into makeup a lot more than I used to be. I like having makeup on hand. I have a lot, but a lot of it's cheaper products right now. Like this is $22 for the full size. And for me, I'm just like, do I want to spend $22 on a pencil? But I have really enjoyed this, so that's a maybe. This is called Real Chemistry Luminous. It's a 3-minute peel. I've actually only used this one time so far, and it was fine. Like it wasn't too rough or anything at all on your skin. You just clean your skin first, leave it slightly damp, and then spread it thinly. So I've only used this one time. I guess I'm just not a big peel person. I don't know if this is particularly something that I would order the full size. And lastly, from my other boxes, and I'm not showing you every single thing that I've gotten over the past 7 months, just certain items that kind of stuck out to me. This is all-in-one Egg Mellow Cream, Too Cool for School London. Oh my gosh, I love this stuff, and I've actually had this for going on like 3 or 4 months now. And this is like a huge sample size. It's 0.5 fluid ounces. I can't even begin to tell you about the smell on this. This smells so good. It goes on my face so creamy, and it just feels wonderful. It makes my face feel so soft. I would definitely order the full size on this one. This has been a favorite. So now that we have the previous month's kind of hit and miss products for me out of the way, let's get into my new Birchbox. So I already opened the outside package. So this is the box for this month, and they always have a different little decoration on their boxes each month. And I actually save these boxes. These are great for organization, like anywhere in your house. I've actually used some in my pantry right now. So the first thing when you open up your box, it's gonna have the little page on here that tells you all the products that are in your box for the month. It's gonna give you kind of a description about them, and then it's gonna tell you the price if you order the full size. And usually you get anywhere from like 5 to 7 products a month. Like this one, I actually have 7 samples in this month's box. So let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing I have in this month's box is OLL shampoo, all shampoo, Davines. And it says it's just a sample size packet. Ultra hydrating, paraben and sulfate free shampoo for all hair types, boost volume and shine. It's supposed to improve the texture, protects your hair from UV rays. So I'll be interested to try this out. Typically, I mean, I have to almost really walk out of the shower looking like a superstar to pay, what is this, like $30? This is $30 just for the shampoo. Huh, that's a little too rich for my blood. We'll give it a try and see. And then they also sent the conditioner, it looks like, down in here as well. Supposed to be packed with Roku oil. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Protects the hair from UV rays, heat damage, apricot butter, and adds softness to strands. So again, this is $36 for a full size. So the likelihood of me purchasing the full size of these is slim to none. But I enjoy trying the samples, so we'll see. Maybe they'll surprise me and I'll just end up splurging. I doubt it. Okay, so the next thing in here is Daily Concepts Your Facial Mini Scrubber with Smart Technology. It's a travel size makeup remover exfoliating face scrubber. So that's pretty cool. And it says it's got a pocket to slide your fingers in for more control. Sponge inside to create a luxurious lather. I wonder if you can use this more than once, I guess. It's a dual texture facial scrubbing tool, gently yet effectively rid pores of dirt, oil, and grime. Use morning and night alone with water or with your favorite cleanser. The full size is only $8. So I'll be interested to see this. It kind of gives you, I guess, a little exfoliation while you're washing off your makeup and stuff. So I'll be interested to try this out and see what I think. This is all It's the OL brand, Davines Olo. I can't tell what that is. All-in-one milk with Roku oil. And that is Nourishing Leave-In Treatment Detangle. It's a detangler, adds volume, shine, and heat protection. So I'll be curious to try this out. Ooh, looks like milk. That smells pretty good. And it almost kind of has like that Aveeno. Am I thinking right? Is it Aveeno hair product smell? Something, I don't know. Like a real smell. So I'll be interested to try this out and see what I think. And I'll have to let you know in the next month's unboxing. Next, I have Ultimate Volume Nano Mascara. It's got a mini brush designed to reach even the stubbiest bottom lashes and inner corners for a full feathered look. So, let me open this up here. Okay. Oh wow, look at this applicator. Can you see that? It's like teeny tiny little bristles. So that'll be interesting. I'll be interested to try this out because like I said, the Stila mascara that I have has a lot of fallout, so I'll be curious to see if this does the same thing. So Q, we will let you know. Next I have Daily Correct CC Cream with omega-3 and omega-6. It's a broad spectrum sunscreen, SPF 35. It's called Super Goop in light medium. And let's take a look at this. It says it's a top seller thanks to its lightweight formula that won't clog the pores. It has shade adjusting technology, blurs out uneven skin tone imperfections while providing SPF 35. So let me take a look at this. Okay, so it is tinted. And it seems to blend out really well, and it feels like really, it goes on really smoothly. Really smoothly on the skin. So I'll be interested to try that out and see what I think. And I guess obviously I can wear this under my makeup. So I'll see how that pairs with that. And then the very last thing that I have is this MAC Strobe Cream Hydratant Luminex, I don't know. So, and this is, it's a skincare meets makeup moisturizer, perks up tired, dull skin with luminous sheen, vitamin and green tea enriched. Easily blends both under and over makeup. That's interesting. I wonder what that means, over makeup. So it looks like that. Like, I wonder if I put, because I have makeup on right now. Let's just test that out and see. I don't know, I can't tell. That's interesting. So I'll be curious to see how that works out. Feels really nice going on the skin, actually, really moisturizing. Like super, like makes my skin feel silky smooth right here. So I'll be excited to try this out and see what I think. So that's it, guys, and that is really cool. I actually got 7 items this month, and I'm so excited to try them out over the course of the next month. I'll let you know what I think on the following month's unboxing. I may end up subscribing to also like Ipsy, and I know there's like different subscription boxes that I may try out some of those too, which don't tell my husband, just to test out some other boxes and see what kind of things they send me, if it's similar or if they send me some really cool products that Birchbox doesn't have. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of Birchbox. If you're interested in getting your own Birchbox, I will put a link down below in the description box if you want to check it out for yourself. And until next time, bye.